In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the width margin of the strip in Wix site. First, a quick overview so you know what we're changing. In Wix, a strip is a full width section that helps structure your page. The width margin setting controls the space on the left and right sides of the content inside a stretched strip. Adjusting it is useful when you want your content to breathe a little more, or when you want a bold edge-to-edge look. Start by clicking the strip section on your page. Move your mouse until the strip is outlined and you see the selection handles. If you accidentally select an element inside the strip, just click again on the background area of the strip until the whole section is selected. You'll know it's selected when the toolbar and relevant settings for the strip appear. With the strip selected, look for the stretch control. It usually appears as an icon with outward arrows or a label that indicates the strip can stretch to full width. Click that stretched icon to open the strip's stretch options. This is where Wix lets you fine-tune how the strip behaves across the browser's width and how much horizontal space to keep on each side of your content. Now, in the margins area, adjust the slider. Dragging the slider to the left reduces the margins, pushing your content closer to the edges for a more full bleed feel. Dragging it to the right increases the margins, adding more space on both sides and creating a cleaner, more contained layout. As you move the slider, watch the content in the strip update in real time so you can stop at a value that looks right for your design. Smaller margins work well for immersive sections like large images or banners, while larger margins can improve readability for text-heavy areas. A few quick tips while you adjust. Keep an eye on alignment. Headings, buttons, and images should line up with other sections of your page for a consistent visual rhythm. If your site uses a grid or guides, match the strip's content area to those guides for a professional look. Also, consider accessibility and readability. Leaving enough space around text helps users scan content comfortably on wider screens. Remember that this margin setting applies to the strip you've selected, so if you want a consistent feel across your site, you'll repeat the same adjustment for other strips as needed. That's all there is to it. Select the strip, open the stretched options, and fine-tune the margins with the slider until your layout feels just right.